We will now download and install CrococryptFile. We're starting off with the Windows version. If you Google CrococryptFile, you will find several download sites hosting the software. We are using the SourceForge link here. As you can see, you could download directly one of the editions of CrococryptFile, but I will show you which editions are there. As you can see, there are two archives. The first one, this one being for Linux, this one being for all platforms including Mac OS. And these two executables are for Windows, the small one just containing the app, the second one containing all necessary runtimes. So I will download this one. I'm running on a Windows 10 machine, but CrococryptFile runs on Windows XP and above. After the download has finished, you just run the setup. It's an unsigned executable, but you still can run it. Currently, CrococryptFile supports two languages, German and English. I'm just using English here. The installation is very straightforward. Just click through it, and as you can see, it's depacking all necessary files, and that's it. No restart necessary. Now a quick look what has changed on this system now. First of all, we look at the Start menu. As you can see, under All Apps, there is now the CrococryptFile folder, and there are essentially two important applications, CrococryptFile and DecryptCloakFile. We will see that later in the course. The most easy usage of CrococryptFile under Windows is using it via Windows Explorer. So if you right-click in the context menu on this file, for instance, you can encrypt via CrococryptFile. If you select two files, this entry in the context menu is gone, but with Send To you can still encrypt multiple files. CrococryptFile supports also folder encryption, so you can as well send files and folders to CrococryptFile.